Hey, today we're going to be talking about the brachial plexus cords and their terminal branches, and then we'll also talk about the upper body muscles and organizing them by nerve innervation. So first, we're going to focus on these cords. So you just got to remember them straight up, man, unless you have a good mnemonic. Let's see. So right here, posterior cord. This turns into the terminal branches axillary and radial. Lateral cord is musculocutaneous, and medial goes to the ulnar nerve. So again, posterior cord, axillary radial, lateral cord, musculocutaneous, medial, ulnar. So posterior cord has two, lateral cord has musculocutaneous, medial has ulnar. All right, now let's get into these nerves. So this kind of helps remember which muscles are innervated by what nerves, because it can be a lot and confusing. So it's best if you organize them, I think. So starting with the radial nerve. The radial nerve innervates the posterior compartments of the arm and the forearm. So this is the extensor muscles. And this includes triceps brachii and coneus, brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis, extensor digitorum, and extensor carpi ulnaris, and supinator. So that covers the radial nerve muscles. Median nerve. So the median nerve innervates most of the anterior forearm flexors and specific hand muscles. So this is pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus, the medial half, and the thin arm muscles that are in the thumb, and the lumbricals, but only the first and second. So these will be the lateral lumbricals and anatomical position. And then finally, well, we've still got some more too, but the other big one, or one that has a lot, is the ulnar nerve. So the ulnar nerve innervates the remaining forearm muscles and most intrinsic hand muscles. And intrinsic is the muscles that originate and insert on the hand muscle, or in the hand. So these are the flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor digitorum profundus, hypothenar, which is the pinky muscles, pinky finger muscles, anterossi, dorsal and palmar, so this is your dab and pad muscles, adductor pollicis, and the lumbricals, the third and fourth, from whenever you're looking at anatomical position. And then a couple other important ones to note. Thoracodorsal nerve innervates the latissimus dorsi muscle, and the long thoracic nerve innervates the serratus anterior. And then we have two more. Musculocutaneous innervates the coracobrachialis, biceps brachii, and the brachialis. And axillary innervates the deltoid and triceps brachii. And I think musculocutaneous is pretty easy to remember because musculo, and then I think of biceps and brachialis, you're showing off your muscles. So that's the musculocutaneous. Whenever you flex your biceps, you're showing off your muscles, musculocutaneous. It helps if you kind of find little connections between these two. So that's it for today. These are some nerve review and brachial plexus cords. Thanks for tuning in.